Welcome to all. This time we discuss some questions related to time and work. Before going to discuss problems, we have to see some important facts to do the questions. They are: if a person A can complete a job or work in n days, then is 1 day's work equal to 1 by n. If a person A can complete a job or work in n days, then is 1 day's work equal to 1 by n. That is 1 by nth part of the job is completed by A in 1 day. Second thing is, we always assume that total work equal to 1. Then if A can do 1 by n part of the job in 1 day, then A can do the entire job in n days. Here, if A can complete the job in n days, then the work done by A in 1 day is 1 by n. If A can do 1 by n part of the job in 1 day, then A can do the entire job in n days. Next thing is, if a worker or person A is n times efficient than a person or worker B, then ratio of their works equal to n is to 1. If A is n times efficient than B, or if a person A is as good n times as B, then ratio of their work is n is to 1. The same ratio is true if we take the entire job or if we take the work done by A and B in 1 day. Now go to questions. Suppose that a worker A can complete a job in 8 days, and suppose that another person B can complete or finish the job in 10 days. A can complete a particular job in 8 days, B can finish the same job in 10 days if they work independently. Now let us find out the number of days taken to complete the job if A and B work together. To indicate that A and B work together, we write A plus B. and let us find out that the number of days taken by A and B together to complete the job. And here A completes the job in 8 days. Therefore, A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 8 using this one. And from this, what is B's 1 day's work? B completes the job in 10 days. Therefore, B's 1 day's work is 1 by 10. And therefore, A plus B's 1 day's work equal to the sum of these two. That is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10. And here 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10, LCM is 48 and 10 LCM is 40. 8 in 40 5 times, 10 in 40 4 times. Therefore 5 plus 4 by 40, that is 9 by 40. 9 by 40 of the work, the entire work is done by A plus B in 1 day. Therefore, the total work is completed by A and B together in 1 by 9 by 40 days, that is 40 by 9 days. 9 by 40 part of the job is completed by A and B on 1 day. Therefore, to complete the entire job, A and B together takes 40 by 9 days. Now, second question. Suppose that two workers A and B work together and complete a work in 4 hours. B alone can complete it in 12 hours. Then, what is the time taken by A alone to complete the job? Two workers A and B work together and completes a work in 4 hours. Here, not days. Instead of days, it is hours. In 4 hours, A and B work together. B alone can complete the job in 12 hours. And we have to find out the time taken by A alone to complete the job. That is, if A alone works, we have to find out the time taken to complete the job. See the solution. A and B work together and completes the work in 4 hours. And from this we get A plus B's 1 hour's work. What is that? It is 1 by 4. B alone can complete it in 12 hours. Therefore, B's 1 hour's work is 1 by 12. And you take the difference of these two, that is, you subtract this one from the first one. Here A plus B is 1 hour's work, this is B's 1 hour's work. If we subtract the second one from the first, we get A's 1 hour's work. equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. Here LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. 4 in 12 3 times and 12 in 12 1 time. Therefore, this is 2 by 12 equal to 1 by 6. That is, yes, 1 hour's work is 1 by 6. Therefore, for A, to complete job, we have to take the reciprocal of this 1 by 6, that is 1 by S 1 hours work. To complete the job, 1 by, you find out 1 by S 1 hours work, that is 1 by this 1 by 6, that is 6 hours. 6 hours is taken by A to complete the job. Third question. A is twice as good a workman as B, and together they finish a piece of work in 18 days. In how many days will A alone finish the work? Here A is twice efficient or 2 times efficient than B. A and B work together and finish the work in 18 days. We have to find out the number of days to finish the work by A alone. Here A is twice efficient than B. Therefore, A's 1 day's work is to B's 1 day's work is 2:1. And A plus B's 1 day's work, what is that? A plus B finish the work in 18 days. Therefore, A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 18. Now you read these two together. A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 18, and the ratio of works of A and B is 2:1. From these, since this ratio is 2:1, 2 by 3rd of A plus B's 1 day's work is done by A, because this ratio is 2:1. 2 corresponds to A and 1 corresponds to B. Therefore, 2 by 3rd of this A plus B's 1 day's work is done by A. Therefore, A's 1 day's work equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 18. Simplifying, it is cancelling 2 from 2 and 18. This 1 by 3 into 9, that is 1 by 27. Since A's 1 day's work is 1 by 27, you take the reciprocal of that, that is 1 by 27, that is 27 days for A alone to complete the work. I think with these examples you got basic ideas and techniques to apply the results or facts you studied in different cases. And with these examples, I stop this topic here.